Replacing your home's windows is a big investment, but it's one that can pay off in a variety of ways, especially when the job is done by seasoned professionals. For homeowners in Covington, window replacement isn't just about enhancing curb appeal. It's about making your home more energy efficient, comfortable, secure, and even quieter. And while choosing the right windows is essential, how those windows are installed is just as important, if not more so. Here's a closer look at how professional window installation in Covington can dramatically improve your home's overall performance. Maximized energy efficiency. One of the biggest reasons Covington homeowners replace their windows is to save on energy bills. But even the most advanced, energy-efficient windows won't deliver results if they're installed incorrectly. Poor installation can leave gaps or misalignments that allow air leaks, defeating the purpose of upgrading in the first place. Professional installers know how to properly seal window frames to prevent draft, align sashes and frames to eliminate gaps, use insulation foam and flashing tape where needed. With airtight installation, you'll benefit from reduced heating and cooling costs, better temperature control, and a home that stays comfortable year-round, no matter the Covington weather. Enhanced comfort indoors. Comfort inside your home goes beyond just temperature. A poorly installed window can cause drafts, hot or cold spots, and even condensation buildup. These issues can make rooms uncomfortable, especially near windows and doors. A professionally installed window ensures even distribution of indoor temperatures, reduced cold drafts during Covington's chilly winter, improved moisture control, reducing the risk of mold and mildew. You will feel the difference in every room. No more bundling up indoors in the winter or cranking the AC in one room while another remains stuffy. Improved noise reduction. Noise pollution can disrupt your daily life, especially if you live near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas. Professional window installation helps mitigate these disturbances by ensuring tight seals and proper materials are used. High-performance windows with laminated or double-pane glass, when installed correctly, can block out a surprising amount of external noise. Professional installers will also use proper caulking and insulation techniques, helping your home become a quieter, more peaceful place to live. Boosted home security. Window security doesn't just come from locks, it depends on a solid, secure installation. If a window is loose in its frame or installed unevenly, it may not close or lock properly, leaving your home vulnerable to intruders. Experienced window installers ensure that all locks and latches align properly and work as intended. Window panes are fitted securely into the frame. Reinforced frames and hardware are installed correctly. With a tight fit and reliable hardware, your new windows become a much stronger deterrent to forced entry, giving you greater peace of mind. Longer lifespan for your investment. When you choose to install premium windows in your Covington home, you want them to last. But even the best windows can fail early if they're not installed properly. Issues like water infiltration, Frame warping and premature seal failure often trace back to poor installation practices. Professional installers follow manufacturer guidelines and local building codes, ensuring your windows last longer, require fewer repairs, to maintain their energy efficiency over time. That means more value for your investment and fewer headaches down the road. A perfect aesthetic finish. Professionally installed windows don't just perform better, they look better too. Expert installers pay attention to alignment, trim work, and finishing touches that make your windows blend seamlessly with your home's architectural style. Clean lines and balanced symmetry help boost curb appeal and the interior feel of every room. Final thoughts. If you're upgrading your windows in Covington, don't overlook the importance of professional installation. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of your investment, enhancing energy efficiency, comfort, security, and aesthetics all at once. Partner with a trusted local window expert to ensure your windows are installed correctly the first time. The result? A high-performing home that's more beautiful, efficient, and enjoyable to live in.